So everything in locations, notifications, files, sales channel, and account are pretty much going to be defaulted the way you want them to be. If you want to go in there and check out what these are, you can go in and play around. If you've got any questions, feel free to shoot me a message. One thing I will show you is billing. Effectively, what you're going to want to do is once you upgrade your account, you'll add the credit card here that you're paying for your account with. And then the final thing we're going to go over are the legal pages for your store. So this is going to be your refund policy, your privacy policy, your terms of service, and your shipping policy. And so you can really, for the refund policy, auto-generate it from the template. The privacy policy as well, and the terms of service. These are going to be pretty standard across most websites. Of course, if you want to go in and change the refund policy to 60, 90 days, you can go ahead and do that. Your shipping policy, it's not something you necessarily need to have, but it's a good thing to make your customers aware of, whether it's I offer free shipping in the US, but you have to pay for international shipping. Things of that manner you can add here as well. And so we're just going to click Save. And I'll show you how to integrate these pages into the header or footer of your website.